Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a contact form to your Shopify store. So if you want your customers to send you a message, ask a question, request help, or contact you about an order, this is the simple way to do it. A contact form is important because it gives your visitors an easy way to reach you without needing to search for your email address. It also makes your store look more trusted because customers can see that there is a place where they can send their questions. So let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your Shopify account. First, go ahead and log in to your Shopify account. Once you are inside your Shopify dashboard, this is where you can manage your store, your products, your pages, and everything else. Now, for this tutorial, we are going to add a new page for the contact form. This page will be the place where your customers can type their name, email, and message. Step 2. Go to Online Store. On the left side of your Shopify dashboard, look for the section that says Online Store. Click on Online Store. This is the place where you can manage the parts of your store that your customers can see. This includes your theme, your pages, your menu, and other store pages. Once you click Online Store, look for Pages. Click on Pages. This is where all your store pages are listed. For example, you might already have pages like About Us, Privacy Policy, Refund Policy, or Contact Us. Now click Add Page. This will open a blank page where you can create your contact page. In the title box, you can type Contact Us. You can also type something like Get in Touch, Contact, or Send us a message. But for most stores, Contact Us is simple and clear, so I recommend using that. After that, you will see a big box where you can add text. You do not have to write a lot here. You can keep it very simple. For example, you can write, "Need help? Send us a message and we will get back to you as soon as possible." This small message lets customers know that they can use the form to contact you. You can also add more details if you want, like your support hours, your email, or how long it usually takes you to reply. But if you want to keep it clean, one short sentence is enough. Before you finish, it is a good idea to test the form. Type in a name. Type in an email address. Then type a short test message. After that, send the message. This helps you make sure the form is working and that messages can be sent properly. After you send the test message, check the email connected to your Shopify store. If the message arrives, then everything is working. If you do not see it right away, check your spam or junk folder. After you add the title, add your short message, and choose the contact page option, click Save. Now your contact page is created. But we are not fully done yet. Right now, the page exists, but your customers may not be able to find it unless you add it to your store menu. So the next step is to make sure the contact page shows on your store. One more tip is to keep your contact page simple. Do not make it confusing. Customers should know right away what the page is for. A good contact page should have a clear title, a short message, and the form. You can also add extra details like your reply time. For example, you can say, "We usually reply within 24 to 48 hours. This helps customers know when they can expect an answer. You can also add your business email if you want to give them another way to contact you. But again, keep it simple and easy to read. And that's how you add a contact form to your Shopify store. Now your customers have a simple way to send you a message directly from your website. This can help with customer questions, order questions, support requests, and general messages. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.